I built a complete personal coaching brand, including the photos, videos, website, app, and even a pitch deck, using just one AI agent. And the crazy part is, I didn't have to write a single line of code. Now, if you're looking for a Manus alternative right now, this is definitely worth checking out, because Runable can do much more than just research. It can actually build things for you and help you turn an idea into something you can use. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this entire brand, step by step. And more importantly, I'll show you how you could take a workflow like this and turn it into a high-value freelance service. So let's get started. First, click the link in the description and go to the Runable website. Runable is an AI agent that can build things for you from a single prompt. You can create full-stack websites with payments, pitch decks, videos, images, reports, and much more. On top of that, it can connect with more than 3,000 apps. So instead of jumping between 10 different AI tools, you can keep much of that entire workflow in one place. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface. Here, you have options for creating images, videos, websites, apps, slides, and much more. Now, before I create my personal coaching brand website, I first need some premium images and videos that I can use throughout the website. And here's something I've learned from building websites with AI. If you simply let the AI generate all the visual assets while it's building the website, you might get something that works. However, you don't always get the exact visual style you want. So instead, I prefer creating the important images and videos first. Then, when I build the website, I can give those finished assets to the AI. That way, I have much more control over how the final website looks and feels. So let's start by creating the images. Click on the image option. The first thing I do is upload a photo of myself. Then, I give it a prompt that tells the AI to use my uploaded photo as a reference and create a realistic image of the same person. I also describe things like the outfit, facial expression, location, lighting, camera angle, and the overall look I want. For creating these prompts, I actually use Claude to help me write them. So if you want any of the prompts I used throughout this video, let me know in the comments, and I can share them with you. Next, you can choose the model you want to use. I usually leave this set to auto because this allows the agent to choose the model that makes the most sense for the task. And then I simply click send. Now the agent starts working on the image. On the right side, you can also see all the available models. So if you want more control, you can choose which model you want to use for images and which one you want to use for videos. For this project, I used GPT Image 2 for the images and Seedance 2.0 for the videos. And after a few minutes, our first image is ready. Honestly, this is exactly the type of professional image I wanted for the website. Now let's take this image and turn it into a video. To do that, click on the image and select Create Video. Then you can choose the video model you want to use. I'm going with Seedance, and I'll paste in my animation prompt. After that, I select the duration and create the video. And within a few minutes, our video is ready. Next, I'll download the video. Then, I'll simply repeat the same process until I have all the images and videos I need for the website. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Runable can actually create these assets itself while it's building your website. But personally, I prefer doing this part first. And why? Because I already know exactly what my final images and videos look like. That means when we start building the website, I can tell the agent exactly which asset I want to use in each section. And as a result, I get much more control over the final design instead of leaving everything up to the AI. So now that all our images and videos are ready, let's build the actual website. First, download all the assets you've created, then select website from the main option. Now, upload all the files we created earlier into the Runable prompt box. And this is where we give the agent the complete idea for our website. For my project, I tell it to build a complete premium Apple-inspired one-page website for a personal coaching brand called Ryan. Ryan is a freelance and solopreneur coach who helps freelancers build repeatable income systems instead of constantly relying on hustle. But I don't stop at simply describing the business. I also explain who the target audience is, the design style I want, which sections should appear on the page, and which image or video should be used in each section. And this part is really important. We're not just telling the AI, build me a website. Instead, we're giving it enough information to understand what we're actually trying to create. The more clearly you explain your idea, the easier it becomes for the agent to build something that matches your vision. Once the prompt is ready, I keep the model set to auto so Runable can choose the model that best fits the project. Then I enable the plan option. And I recommend doing this because instead of immediately starting the build, the agent first creates a complete plan for the website. Now I'll click send. Before it starts building, Runable asks me a few questions about the project. For example, it asks whether I want it to browse visual style templates first, or go directly into a custom Apple-inspired design based on my brief. Since I already know the style I want, I'll choose my brief and keep the Apple-inspired UI style. Of course, you'll get different questions depending on your project, so just answer them based on what you want your website to look like, how you want it to work, and what you're trying to achieve. Once you've answered everything, the agent starts working on the plan. And then it gives us a detailed plan that includes things like asset mapping, the design system, build steps, and more. You can review everything here and tell the agent about any changes you want to make before the actual build begins. For me, everything looks good, so I'll select Approved Plan. And now, the agent starts building the website. After a few minutes, our website is ready. Now, in my website, I also have an option where clients can book a coaching session with me. And for that feature to actually work, we need to connect the right service so I can receive a notification whenever someone makes a booking. So I give it the API key from Resend along with a dummy email address and then click Send. And this is where Runable becomes more than just a website generator. You're not only creating the visual front end, you can also connect services and build the working parts behind the website. And that's really important if you're planning to use something like this for a real business. Because you don't want a website that only looks good. You want the buttons, forms, bookings, payments, and other important features to actually work. And within a few minutes, our complete website is ready. Here, you can see all the sections we asked for. We have the Hero section, About section, Services section, App Promo section, Testimonial section, Booking and Contact section, and finally the footer. And the images and videos we created earlier are already placed into the sections where we asked for them. And that's exactly why I like creating the assets first. Everything feels much more connected and intentional instead of looking like a collection of random AI-generated content. On top of that, the overall design follows the Apple-inspired style we gave it. So at this point, we already have a professional-looking coaching website, but we're not finished yet. If you click the dashboard button, you can also access things like website analytics, including page views and audience information. You can also find options for adding a payment method and working on SEO to help your website rank better. And because these are full-stack websites, Runable can handle things like payments, databases, analytics, and custom domains. So you're not limited to creating a simple landing page. Instead, you can build something much closer to a complete working website. And that's what makes this workflow so useful. Inside Runable, you can handle many of the things that would normally require several different tools or services. Once everything is ready, you can publish the website by clicking here. But what if you want to make changes later? Well, you don't have to rebuild the entire website. You can simply tell the agent what you want to change. For example, I want to add pricing to these sections. So I'll type the prices I want to include and click apply. And within a few seconds, the agent makes the changes and updates our website. As you can see, the prices are now included in the exact sections I specified. And this is another reason I like working this way. Instead of manually going through the website and changing everything yourself, you can simply explain what you want, and the agent handles the update. Now, since this is currently a one-page website, you might be wondering, what if you want to add completely new pages or features? Well, you can do that too. For example, I'm going to give Runable another prompt describing all the additional pages and features I want. I'll explain what each page should contain, how I want the new pages to look, and how I want the website to be expanded. Then I'll click send. Just like before, the agent asks me a few questions. I'll answer them based on what I want, and then let it update the website. And after a few minutes, here's what we get. The original one-page design is still there, but now the website has additional pages, more detailed content, and even a client login option. So we started with a single idea and a few visual assets. And now we have a much more complete website with multiple pages and working features. But here's where things get even more interesting. This same workflow isn't limited to websites. Runable can also create slides, reports, audio, social media carousels, and even mobile apps from a prompt. So instead of using one tool for images, another for videos, another for presentations, and another for websites, you can bring many of these tasks into one agent and let it handle the work. And this is why I think there's a real business opportunity here. Think about it. If you hired an agency or a freelancer to build a premium website with this level of design, multiple pages, custom images and videos, booking functionality, integrations and revisions, you could easily spend $1,000 or more, depending on the project. But with this workflow, I was able to build the entire thing using a single AI agent, a few well-written prompts, and the visual assets we created earlier. So if you're looking for a faster way to build digital projects, or you want to turn a workflow like this into a freelance service, you can try Runable using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.